We have 40 volunteers here today from the Raymond James group that are helping us out with this project.
A little dirty.
We have staff from the Southwest Florida Water Management District, from our swim section, from land management and vegetation management, and Tampa Bay Watch.
It looks like you guys are doing great.
Along with volunteers from Raymond James at the Rock Ponds property in Hillsborough County.
We are harvesting from healthy stands of vegetation around this freshwater wetland.
That's a good bulb.
During the last two hurricane seasons, some of the freshwater ponds at the Rock Ponds property were impacted by storm surge. That caused a loss of some of the native vegetation in those ponds. That vegetation helps filter water before it enters Tampa Bay. Today we're transplanting plants from one of the healthy ponds to one of the ponds that was impacted by the storm surge.
Our volunteers are getting into the mud and the muck, and they are doing it with a smile on their face, so we're so grateful for them.
We have everyone out here, from accountants, asset management, to our senior leadership team. We have our president out here today. Raymond James Cares is a movement that the entire corporation is behind, and for the month of May, we all find different things that we're interested in and that we find value in, and we try to give back to our community.
We have 3 different plant species that we're targeting today. We have golden canna, we have spike rush, and then we have our bulrush. These plants, they form dense root rhizome systems that help to stabilize soil, which helps to reduce erosion around our water bodies. They also will help to filter out pollutants and excess nutrients, helping to improve our water quality. Tampa Bay Watch, our habitat restoration projects are completely community driven, so we would not be able to accomplish any of our goals without the help of our volunteers. So our volunteers are incredibly important for our mission, our organization, and all the work that we're trying to do.
It's been great. It's been all smiles. We've been playing in the dirt, getting to meet some turtle friends.
Feels great because we did something that does make an impact. You can see it.
Today was a good day out in the field. I think that everyone's going to have gotten to do some hands-on habitat restoration work and get to leave here feeling good, knowing that they have benefited our community and the wildlife here in Tampa Bay.